Alright, welcome to Packet Tracer Activity 5.4.3, Verifying and Troubleshooting EIGRP Operation. So we've got this network set up with EIGRP 10 as the routing protocol, and after we've set it all up, PC1 and PC4 can't ping any other PCs. So let's go check out PC1 and ping the default gateway. So if we do an IP config, we find the gateway and we ping it. That's connected, looks good. So then ping the fast Ethernet 0/1 of the Chicago router. So if we look on this router, it's 254.254 is the number. So we are unreachable. So we've got a problem somewhere between these two, because it pings this one, not here, so the problem's in here. So let's go to the Chicago 1 router. CLI. And do a show IP protocols. So there's no IP protocol, so that's your first inkling that there's a problem. There's no a protocol that's been set up on this one. So let's look at the Chicago router. So it shows it right up here that we have EIGRP 10. This one's all set up. It's advertising these networks. So that one all looks good. So what we need to do is go into this Chicago and set this one up. But first, let's look at our other problem. So it says here PC4 is also having problems connecting. So we'll find their default gateway and ping it. Works fine. And then we will try to ping the Denver router here on FA00 254.241. So we're unreachable. So we've got a problem between these two. So let's look at those. Let's check out the Denver router. And let's check out EIGRP neighbors. So we can see that it's a neighbor with these two, but the interface FA00 has no neighbor, so it is not set up. So let's go check out Denver 1 to see what's not set up. So if we do that, we see that the process number is 100. So we want the process number to be 10 on that. So we need to change the autonomous number on the Chicago router, Chicago 1 router, and we'll change the process number on the Denver 1 router. So let's get that started. So on Chicago 1 here, we want to enter configuration mode and configure EIGRP with the correct autonomous system number. So we want to do router EIGRP and then the number was, what was the number? 10? And then we want to advertise the networks. So we want to add the network here. And those networks were okay, so this network is going to be, whoops, the 10.10.20.0, and then we need a wildcard mask on that one. And then this one is going to be 10.10.254.253. So the network address is going to be 252, and the wildcard mask is a 3. The subnet mask would be at 252 at the end, which would leave 4 addresses left. So the network is going to be the bottom 252. It goes up to 256, and that's where I got those numbers. So there we go. Let's change the neighbor adjacency there. Alright, so we've advertised the networks, and now we need to select Denver 1. And then we want to do router EIGRP 1 10. And then after we do that, we are going to want to check and make sure that their networks are properly advertised. So to do that, we want to see what we have here. So FA00, is it what this one is? So we got 10.10.254.242/30, which is going to be the network address is going to be a 241. because it's 2, 4, 1. If there's going to be 4 in each set, that means it goes from 41 to 45, 42, okay, yes, 10.10.254.241, wildcard mask, and then the network 10.10.40.0. I think I put a wildcard mask, but you don't need it because it's not subnetted. Maybe that's true. Packet tracer wanted it, so I did it. Alright, so we've got those both set up. On Denver 1, we can do show IP EIGRP traffic. And we can see we've still got process 100, but we've got process 10, which actually is receiving things back. So that's working. And let's try show IP EIGRP topology. And there you can just see all the setups there. And then we can do that again on this router. So there you go, we can see we got process 10, everything's looking good. So let's just do some pings here just to make sure. From PC 1 to 2 and 3 and 4. So PC 2 is 10.10.10.2. So that one works. Let's try PC3 down here, which is 10.10.30.2. So that one looks good, and then the crucial one, the two that couldn't ping each other, PC4 10.10.40.2. So we've got that. Looks like everything's good, everything's connected. Check our results. We've got everything they wanted us to get. So that is the end of 543 verifying and troubleshooting EIGRP operation. Thank you very much.